This isn't science fiction. It's 2025. AI isn't coming. It's already here, changing the rules of work, society, and success. Faster, smarter, cheaper. Every day it's replacing what we once thought was uniquely human. Humanoid robots are leaving labs and entering factories, especially in supply chains, where they're revolutionizing logistics and manufacturing. GPT-4 already diagnoses illnesses better than human doctors. Its successor, O1-Preview, doubles that accuracy in clinical trials. It's not just catching up, it's pulling ahead and accelerating. It will outperform any human. Just ask Garry Kasparov, who was famously defeated by Deep Blue. Recently, Chinese DeepSeek succeeded at duplication of this new frontier, delivering top-tier performance for a fraction of the cost. The barriers are down. Access is everywhere. Free. But that access is layered. The most advanced models, the ones that reason, strategize, and predict, will never be free. AI is becoming the ultimate weapons designer and stock trader. In the wrong hands, it could trigger financial collapse or mass destruction. Limitless access isn't inclusion, it's suicide. Imagine terrorists with superintelligence. That alone ensures the common man won't get full access. Only the trusted, only the aligned. Access becomes a privilege, not a right. Now, zoom out. Something fundamental has shifted. What we once called work, our roles, our purpose, is beginning to crack. We're not falling, but we've stopped climbing. The tools that once opened doors, hard work, talent, creativity, no longer guarantee upward mobility. When artificial intelligence becomes the fastest path to success, the game changes. It's no longer about what you know or can do. It's about what you can access. And that access, it's paywalled. The wealthy now have something new. They can give their money to AI and ask it to grow. They don't need employees. They need compute. Models that optimize, compound, and scale capital. No meetings, no burnout, just exponential returns. With enough capital, you don't need recruitment or staff. You just run code, intelligence on demand. But most people don't have capital. They have time, effort, and skill. Forms of value that are rapidly depreciating. For centuries, that was enough. Now, even excellence is economically irrelevant. Social stratification solidifies. At the top, those who own the models, data, and capital. Below, everyone else. Equals? Hardly. The worst case, a new aristocracy, permanent, digital, a ruling class chosen not by votes, but by ownership. Their power flows from compute, not consent. Inequality doesn't just persist, it compounds. Early access leads to better models, better investment, better positioning. Wealth isn't just inherited, it's algorithmically amplified. AI takes your job, governments step back, and you wait, watching, powerless.
Given the magnitude of economic change at a minimum, how we think about the evolution of the social contract, what that means, how people like the balance between capital and labor, just to pick one obvious example of many others we could pick, that's going to require serious societal debate.
We hope someone steps in, governments maybe, but that depends on whether they still care. Historically, they did. Educated citizens fueled economies. Workers drove growth. The moral and economic cases aligned. But if AI replaces human productivity, that alignment breaks. States stop investing in people. They invest in server farms, algorithms, synthetic minds that don't strike or sleep. Budgets shift. Less for schools, hospitals, and infrastructure. More for compute and optimization. The social contract cracks. People become expenses. Machines become assets. Supporting citizens shifts from strategy to charity. Humans are redundant, disconnected from the economy, excluded from decision-making. In a post-labor world, people become liabilities. What replaces the old bargain isn't freedom, it's disregard. Think about why we participate in society. We endured unpleasant work for money, respect, and dignity. Those who rose from nothing were proof that effort could matter. They inspired others. But in a world where AI outperforms everyone, that kind of rise may become impossible. When we lose our meaning, when the things that defined us, our professions, our merit, are outperformed and automated, what remains? What compels obedience or hope? Maybe only the beautiful ones will survive. Maybe only the useful or compliant will matter.
Still expect that there will be some change required to the social contract, given how powerful we expect this technology to be. I'm not a believer that there won't be any jobs. I think we always find new things to do, but I do think like the whole structure of society itself will, be up for some degree of debate and reconfiguration.
Even the best-case scenario, AI-driven abundance and universal basic income, offers only survival, not purpose. Life may be stable, but the path to dignity, contribution, and meaning vanishes. And ethics? We say it's dangerous to rely on AI, but when it saves lives better than doctors, is it ethical not to use it? Denying life-saving intelligence isn't caution, it's cruelty. This is all already happening. It's moving, faster than we can debate, legislate, or understand. This isn't a beginning, it's the moment after. The world didn't pause to ask if we were ready. It just changed. Now the question isn't how we stop it. It's how we live in it, how we find meaning, how we stay human in a world that no longer needs us to be.